What up? So today we on Hollywood Boulevard, just walking around. I had an extra free day out here before I go back home, so I figured I'd do some little bit of tourist stuff today. Here goes Tim Burton's star. Y'all put some respect on Tim Burton. Tim done brought y'all some classics. I tell you, one of the stars that I do want to see that's long overdue, and I was actually happy this brother got his star finally, Martin Lawrence. Now, I say the address is like 6617 on Hollywood Boulevard, so I know I'm close. I'm at 6605 right now. Little gift shops, they all over here. Mary Martin. It's actually a nice day out here today. I feel like in the 70s. And there is Martin Lawrence's star right there, folks. Marty Marr.
The most awkward, 2 hours of my life.
Yeah, but like I said, I was happy when Martin got his star. And I've been watching Martin since Def Comedy Jam. So we're gonna walk all the way down there by the Chinese Grauman Theater. I want to find out where Nipsey Hussle star is at as well. Kenan Thompson. Kenan Thompson stars right past Martin Lawrence's star. Well, that's new over there. I see Netflix has their own store on Hollywood Boulevard now. That wasn't there before. I wonder how long that's actually been there. But we're gonna keep on strolling down Hollywood Boulevard. Coming up on the Wax Museum right down here. So once you get past the Wax Museum, that's pretty much the side of Hollywood Boulevard that everybody typically hangs out at. After you're gonna find the Grauman Chinese Theater, Michael Jackson star, Muhammad Ali, and a few others. With I think Jimmy Kimmel show, so most people be over there. We got the tour, plenty of tours out here. I heard the TMZ tour was pretty good. Gary Owens. Man, Gary Owens got a star? Museum of Illusions. Apparently they got something going on over here. Maybe like a award show or something. Goes to Ripley's Believe It or Not. Is this the Oscars? This what they setting up for? I'm assuming it's setting up for the Oscars, only because there's a big billboard above my head. It says the Oscars on Hulu. If you ever want to catch the train will bring you right here to Hollywood Boulevard. And if you just keep on walking this way, you'll walk right into the Chinese Grauman Theater. Man, I was trying to get a good drone shot, but this tent is taking up a lot of stuff that I want to fly over. It's a little plaza here. Got nice little shops up in there. Let's see. The Blvd Theater. I still call it the Kodak Theater. I'm just used to that name. All right.
Ransom, huh? Hey, Ransom.
Yeah, there goes the crazies. That's one thing about Hollywood. You're gonna run into a couple crazies up here too. All right. Yeah. This is the famous now Blvd Theater, previously Kodak Theater. Yeah, they definitely setting up. Definitely setting up for the Oscars. It feels good in here. Nice breeze. Now this is Muhammad Ali's star right here. Now this is the only star that you won't find on the ground. Now don't quote me on this, but I heard the reason is he didn't want people walking on his star. All right, so now we're gonna walk over there by the Chinese Grauman Theater. All right, all right. Hard Rock Cafe. Hey, these pizza bites look good on this thing right here, sign right here.
Mine's nice.
All right. Let's see. Spider-Man look like he owns something. Got the press setting up over there. Now that's the Chinese Grauman Theater right there. Now the reason why most people come over here and it's usually packed right here because Michael Jackson stars on this side.
Red carpet and everything like that. We're sitting with all 10 players right now, fam. Not a joke.
Hi, you guys. You gotta keep moving.
Here goes the Michael Jackson star. There's Michael's. You see Michael's right by the Grauman Theater. And then you got the Wax Museum. The Wax Museum over here.
I would love to be with you.
See if I can get a couple drone shots.
Hollywood Boulevard here.
All right, so now we're walking back down the opposite direction. And one thing I like about LA, you're gonna meet people from all over the world, especially up here. I met two YouTubers from London, so I got their contact info, so I'm gonna link up with them when I go to London. They say they split their time between London and Dubai, so I'm definitely gonna catch up with them. And I'm gonna go to Vietnam as well. I tried to go in October, but my visa got denied because I forgot to put my middle name on the visa. But I just met three Vietnamese YouTubers back there, so I got their contact as well. One of them told me he's a tour guide. So you see how that worked out? Now I'm gonna try to go to Vietnam for my birthday this year in October. And now I got a tour guide couple of things I want to film over there. Like they got this cobra snake farm. I want to go film that. Like I want to do some wild stuff. Go Dubai or Saudi Arabia, something like that, and cook a whole camel. I want to do stuff like that. We'll see. Let me try to find this Nipsey Hussle. Spidey!
Hey, how you doing?
We'll find this Nipsey Hussle star, and I'll be done. Let's see if y'all see up there. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can see way up there, but that's the Dolby. Conan O'Brien's gonna be hosting the Oscars. It looks like. All right, so if you're looking for the Nipsey Hussle and Tupac Shakur star, you're gonna come to the Hollywood Boulevard at Argyle Street, and it's gonna be right over here by Amoeba. So it's basically like right in front of Amoeba Music. You'll find the Nipsey Hussle star. So there's Nipsey over there. DJ Khaled is right there as well. Then you got Salt and Pepper.
Dude, right here, that's all you.
But I want to get the last one. We're going to end this one with Tupac Shakur. And there it is, folks. That's Hollywood Boulevard. At least all I'm going to show. It's kind of hot out here. So I'm going home now. Like, comment, and subscribe.